Hi, my name is Mohammed Amoteri. I am doing this project for Get It Fast Groceries in Billings, Montana. We are only online grocery delivery service. One of the most significant issues in Billings, Montana is that there is not a grocery store that delivers with real life updates. This causes multiple problems for customers and stores. The stocks at stores is unknown, and this causes customers to have substitutes or not receive items. This can be there can become access to stock or have expiring items if it is not properly inventoried. Another issue is customers do not know when they will be getting their groceries delivered. One of my solutions is to have a computer program that automatically updates on the customer's end, so when they will get exactly what they are ordering immediately when they put it inside their cart. Our system will hold it up for 20 minutes from last item added. Our system automatically record when they are low. The shipments received will be input into the system automatically with expiration dates. The system will tell us when we need to discount excess and expiring items to keep from waste. The customers can be alerted via text messages, app or email or of real life updates of their delivery status and times of delivery. Our added value is we are a one-stop supermarket delivery service who have nothing but the best intentions to ensure the items are as fresh as possible by having a logistics system that does not allow food and other items to come close to their expirations. We have we have on-hand inventory and customers do not need to worry about substitutions. The target market is primarily those unable to get groceries themselves because of a lack of a car or times to shop. Currently, there is a huge market for those infected by COVID-19, the elderly, sick, the elderly and sick people or self-quarantined people need help to get their groceries. The products we carry The products we carry will be of a full grocery food like Albertsons or Winco, or dairy or frozen or fresh fruits or veggies and meats. We have hygiene, cleaning, pet items and toiletries as well.